Have you ever met someone in their 70s or 80s who is full of life, humor, and sharp wit? They remember names, tell great stories, and even learn new things like using smartphones or speaking a new language. And then, sometimes, you see someone much younger who seems tired, slow, and forgetful. What makes the difference? It's not just age. It's not just luck. It's how they train their brain. Yes, your brain is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger and younger it becomes. This is not just a beautiful idea, it's science. Just like our body needs exercise, our brain needs care, learning, and the right habits to stay young. In this two-part series, we are going to explore how you can train your brain to stay young, sharp, and full of energy no matter how old you are. Whether you are 20 or 60, these lessons are for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and listen closely. Because what you're about to learn could change your life and your brain forever. Let's begin with the basics. What does it really mean to have a young brain? It means a brain that learns quickly, remembers things easily, solves problems creatively, stays focused, feels curious and motivated. Surprisingly, brain aging doesn't happen only to older people. It starts in our 30s if we don't take care. But here's the good news. The brain is always changing, and you can shape it like clay with the right mental exercises. This ability is called neuroplasticity, the brain's power to grow, adapt, and rewire itself. Even if some brain cells die, new connections can be formed, and this is where your power lies. So, how do we keep this magical machine young? Let's explore the daily habits that keep your mind forever young. Do you remember how curious you were as a child? You wanted to know how birds fly, why the sky is blue, what's inside a box. Children ask hundreds of questions every day. That curiosity keeps their brains sharp, alert, and growing. As we grow older, we stop asking questions. We feel like we already know enough. But that's a big mistake. Curiosity is the fuel of a young brain. The more you ask, learn, and explore, the younger your brain becomes. Try this. Ask why about something every day. Learn something completely new once a week. Talk to people who think differently than you. Try learning a new language like you are right now. Every new word, idea, or skill you learn is like giving your brain a vitamin. It becomes brighter, stronger, and more active. You may think training your brain means only doing puzzles or reading books, but wait. One of the best ways to keep your brain young is to move your body. Studies show that physical exercise increases blood flow to the brain, creates new brain cells, and improves memory and mood. You don't need to run a marathon. Just 30 minutes of walking, dancing, or yoga can make a huge difference. Mind-body connection is real. When your body is active, your brain becomes more awake, focused, and happy. Tip: listen to English podcasts while walking. You'll be training your body and your language skills at the same time. Let's be honest, we all deal with stress, work, family, money, health, or just daily problems. But stress is one of the biggest enemies of a young brain. When you are stressed for a long time, your brain starts to slow down. You forget things, you feel tired, you don't enjoy life like you used to. That's why managing stress is not a luxury. It's a brain-saving mission. Daily brain calm habits. Meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. Do deep breathing exercises. Practice gratitude. Write 3 things you're thankful for. Say kind things to yourself, positive self-talk. When you calm your mind, your brain gets time to relax and rebuild. It's like giving it a warm bath after a long day. Do you think you're too busy to sleep? Think again. When you sleep, your brain works like a superhero. It organizes your thoughts, cleans out toxins, stores memories, and repairs itself. Poor sleep equals tired brain equals older brain. To train your brain to stay young, get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Turn off screens 1 hour before bedtime. Make your room cool, dark, and quiet. And if you're learning English, sleep helps you remember the new words and grammar better. You may not realize it, but talking to people is one of the most powerful brain exercises. Yes, every conversation is a workout for your brain. You listen, you think, you remember, you respond, you laugh. All these things light up different areas of the brain like fireworks. Especially if you're speaking in English, you're training even harder and getting stronger. So don't hide, don't be shy, speak with friends, talk to strangers, join a group online. The more you connect, the more alive your brain feels. Have you noticed how quickly children learn languages? They aren't afraid to make mistakes. They play, repeat, ask questions, and copy what they hear. You can do the same. To keep your brain young and become a child again, be playful with learning. Use your imagination. Watch cartoons in English. Repeat out loud what you hear. Sing songs and enjoy the process. Your brain learns better when it feels joy, not pressure. Learning with love is the secret to keeping your brain fresh and vibrant. You wouldn't pour dirty all into a Ferrari, would you? Your brain is even more precious and it needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Brain-boosting foods. 1. Blueberries, antioxidants to protect memory. 2. Walnuts, full of omega-3 salve to boost brain power. 3. Dark chocolate, improves focus and mood. 4. Green leafy vegetables, vitamin K helps brain cells. 5. Turmeric, reduces inflammation and boosts memory. 6. Green tea, improves alertness without the crash. 7. Eggs, great for learning and concentration. 8. Fatty fish like salmon builds brain structure. Try adding these to your daily meals. They don't just feed your body, they nourish your mind. And don't forget water. A dehydrated brain is a slow brain. Drink enough every day. Do you believe you need to make big changes to improve your brain? That's a myth. Small steps lead to big success. These are called microhabits, tiny changes you can do in 2 to 5 minutes that lead to major results. Here are a few. Write down 1 new English word every morning. Do 5 deep breaths when you wake up. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Memorize a quote while brushing your teeth. Smile when you catch your reflection. These may seem small, but they build powerful brain pathways over time. Your brain loves repetition and reward. The more often you do something, the easier it becomes and the younger your brain feels. Long before technology, ancient thinkers trained their brains without phones, apps, or internet. And some of their methods are still powerful today. 1. The Memory Palace. Imagine walking through your house. In each room, you place something you want to remember. For example, in the kitchen, the word inspire. In the bathroom, the word grateful. In the bedroom, confidence. Now, when you mentally walk through your home, you recall each word. This is called a memory palace. Ancient Greeks used it to memorize long speeches. Try this with English vocabulary, quotes, or even grammar rules. 2. Meditation and silence. Ancient monks sat in silence for hours. Why? Because silence sharpens your attention like a sword. Even just 5 minutes of silence can help you. Think clearly, focus deeply, solve problems faster. Close your eyes, breathe, listen to the silence. Your brain will thank you. Want a simple way to start training your brain every day? Here is a powerful 10-minute routine you can do every morning or evening. Minute 1 to 2. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Minute 3 to 4. Learn or review 2 new English words. Minute 5 to 6. Do deep breathing or a short meditation. Minute 7 to 8. Move your body, jump, stretch, walk. Minute 9 to 10, visualize your future self, confident, fluent, and strong. This 10-minute ritual combines movement, learning, calmness, and positivity. Done daily, it can rewire your brain, improve your mood, and make learning English a joy. If you're learning English, you're already training your brain. Here's why learning a second language keeps your brain young. It increases gray matter, the thinking part. It delays brain aging and even Alzheimer's. It boosts memory and attention. It improves multitasking. It builds confidence and creativity. And the best part, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep practicing. Speak, read, write, listen, use English every day in small ways. Talk to yourself in English while cooking. Watch short YouTube clips with subtitles. Write a mini journal entry every night. Read English children's books, they're fun and simple. Every English word you learn adds a spark of youth to your brain. Have you noticed how being around children makes you feel more alive? Their joy, energy, and curiosity are contagious. You can stay mentally young by staying connected to young people, learners, dreamers, creative friends, motivational content. Surround yourself with growth energy, not negativity. Listen to podcasts that inspire you. Watch videos that teach you. Spend time with people who want to grow and improve just like you. Positive energy keeps your brain alive. Do you know what truly keeps your brain young? Having a purpose? When you wake up each day with a reason to grow, serve, and love, your brain lights up. Purpose gives life meaning, and meaning keeps the mind sharp. Your purpose can be small or big. To become fluent in English, to tell your story to the world, to help others, to keep learning, to become the best version of yourself. Write down your reason for learning English. Read it every day. Let it guide your journey. Because a purposeful brain is a powerful brain. Final words. By now, you've learned that staying mentally young is not about magic. It's about simple habits, joyful learning, daily curiosity, and love for life. You have the power to shape your brain. You have the tools. You have the desire. Now, it's time to take action. Remember, a curious mind is a young mind. Movement creates mental energy. Sleep repairs your memory. Talking and laughing make your brain glow. Small habits build big change. Learning English is one of the best brain exercises in the world. You are not just learning a language. You are building a new life. A life where your brain stays sharp, your thoughts stay clear, and your heart stays young. This journey is yours. So keep going. Keep learning. Keep growing. And most of all, never stop believing in the incredible power of your brain. Because as long as you keep training your mind with love and joy, you will stay forever young.